DNA from whale bones has revealed new clues about Iron Age life on Orkney and just how important cetaceans were for ancient islanders. Preliminary results of genetic research into the whale bones from the University of the Highlands and Islands Archaeology Institute research site at the Cairns, South Ronaldsay, show that some very large whale species were sourced for tools, vessels and equipment during the period. In the early summer, Drs. Vicki Szabo, of the Western Carolina University, and Brenna Frasier, from St. Mary's University, Nova Scotia, collaborated with Dr. Ingrid Mainland and Martin Carruthers at the UHI Archaeology Institute to examine the collection of whalebone artifacts recovered from the Cairns and Mine Howe excavations. The aim of the research was to obtain genetic information in order to provide an assessment of what types of whalebone, or cetacean, were actually present at the sites. The research is part of a large project which is investigating the use of whalebone in Western Atlantic society over the last 1,000 years. Dr. Frasier and Dr. Szabo are also following up on work completed in Orkney during February 2018 when they examined the whales found at Cata Sand and other whalebone artifacts from Orkney Museum. Dr. Carruthers, site director at the Cairns Archaeology Excavation, said, "Initial results from the study show some of the whale bones that were uncovered at the Cairns were from very large types of whale including sperm whale and humpback. One surprise, though, is the appearance of fin whale. Fin whales are the second largest species on the planet, after the blue whale itself, and can grow to 27 meters in length. In particular, one very significant artifact from the Cairns site is a very large vertebra from a fin whale, and that's an item that was carved into a vessel or container. At the time of its discovery during the 2016 season it was found to contain a human jawbone and 2 neonatal lambs. The vessel had been placed just outside the Broch wall, very close to the entrance, when the Broch was put out of use around the mid-2nd century AD. As well as the whalebone vessel and jawbone, 2 red deer antlers had been propped against the vessel and a very large saddle quern, a grinding stone, had been positioned against the vessel to pin it firmly in place against the Broch wall. All this treatment appears to have been part of the measures employed to perform an act of closure of the Broch. There are several more fin whale items from the site, so it should be possible to identify relationships between animals and also match bones across the area to the same animal. Beyond the vessel, there is also a particular concentration of bone in the Broch, and scientists say it will be interesting to see what this research can reveal about the use of whalebone in this monum. For more on this story, visit the news article link.